Writing a speech right out is something very difficult. It's not easy. When your head is filled with so many ideas and thoughts, and you're told to immediately write all those feelings and thoughts out, it's quite difficult. Lucky for us, there is something that we can do to help organize our thoughts, to break everything down. And when the time comes to write the speech, our thoughts and ideas are already written down. It's already organized. And we just have to put all the pieces together. It's called outlining, and it's something that's incredibly helpful and helps you create an organized speech. Now, just like a normal essay or a normal, piece of literature, or speech, there's an introduction. That's something you actually want to write in your outline. Actually write out your introduction, because within your introduction, you're gonna, have your thesis statement and the overall message of your essay. So if you've already written out the introduction, you've already done the hardest part. You've already kind of laid the background. Everything's been laid out. The main idea that you're trying to talk about, the problem, whatever it is already laid out in the introduction. What you then have to do is just fill in the paragraphs. The idea is that the tough part's already done. Now, when it comes to writing the speech, you're just going to have to grind it out. But the outline helps you establish those ideas and puts them in an organized format. So again, the outline's already done. You then have the body of the speech, the conclusion, and then the source page. Now, creating an effective outline is very important. You're going to want to use full sentences, correct punctuation, stuff like that. Balance your main points. But one of the most important things is giving credit where credit is due. So using, proper footnotes if you want to bring any, or you are giving credit to the author, whether that be in MLA style or Chicago, you're doing footnotes, whatever. Giving credit even at the outline stage, you have everybody you need to, when you finish the essay, the works cited pages is super quick and easy. You can just put those names in whatever format, they're already there. You've already found the page numbers, whatever. In addition to finding, and giving credit where credit's due, so citing your sources, again, using proper English, proper citations, grammar, stuff like that. This is very easy. It's just something not many people do. So writing your thoughts out, going section by section. So here's your introduction, your first point, and 2 subpoints maybe. Your second point, and 2 subpoints maybe. Third and final point, a couple subpoints. And within each subpoint, make sure you throw in whatever website, whatever journal, whatever magazine you're getting that information from. So, the first topic, first subpoint, according to whatever, the date. So on March 14th, 2018, The Economist reports that So again, giving credit where credit's due, using proper English, and just organizing your thoughts is gonna result in, when it comes time to actually make the speech, so much easier, because your thoughts and ideas are already written down for you, and you've already done the hardest part.